Hi folks, thank you for joining me today. I'm going to show you a Northwood product which is made right here in the Northwest. It is a Four Seasons coach. Four Seasons trailer, so this is going to stand up in the bitter cold, maybe up in northern Alaska, or you're going to be just fine in Baja in the middle of July. Let's go on in and take a look at it. This is only 23 feet long, including the tongue, it's 26. You got a nice grab handle here and a friction hinge door, so it's not going to blow closed on you. Come on in. Dual axle. There's a rail out there for some camping equipment. So I'm a firm believer. I'm going to have the cameraman just kind of go through the whole unit. It's got a beautiful bed up front. You've got wardrobe closets on each side. Also, you've got a little ditty drawer. There's fittings. There's access to your ports for your media, for your laptop and different things of this sort. We're going to go ahead and take a look at this panel here. Guaranty has been with Northwood from the very beginning. So this unit is it's ready for a generator. It's already got a 20-watt solar panel on it. As you can see, you've got lots of counter space in here. You've got a stainless steel sink. They really buy some nice components, and again, right along the top you're going to see that there's lots and lots of storage, and that's important in a trailer that's 23 feet long. So Northwood has their own frame, so it is built for the Northwest. It's built to take up into the mountains. It's built to take over to the coast. They build them one at a time. When they build a 23D, that's the only unit that they are building, so you don't have a bunch of different things happening all at once. Do one thing and do one thing well, and that's what they do. We've got a nice face nor cold refrigerator. It's the nicer of the two brands that are out there, and it's got a terrific bathroom. I'm going to stand right here in the shower. You know, this is just a 23-foot trailer. You usually don't have any kind of room like this at all. It's got a nice basin. It's got a great bathroom. That's all storage over there. You've got a nice shower here, a fantastic fan, a skylight, literally a skylight, so you can see the clouds or you can see the sunshine. I want to invite you to come out here and actually sit down and walk around this trailer and feel the countertops and sit down at that settee, lie down on the bed. It has more than you could ever put on a video. So we'll do a quick walk around on the outside, and then I just want to really encourage you to come out to Guaranty. Ask for me. I'm Barbara D. I work in trailers. I'm Northwood certified. But there's so much that I can show you and teach you about this product when you're here. I need you to come on out. Come on out to Guaranty. You've got a 10-gallon DSI water heater that's on demand. That's more water than most. All these tanks are heated, and it's an enclosed underbelly, so you're never ever going to freeze up or anything like that. It's always going to be warm and toasty or nice and cool. Dual axles. This is set up so you can have an outside barbecue set up. It's got a nice awning on it, LED lighting outside. I find most of all, a lot of the travel trailers these days do not put a ladder on them, but Northwood does. You need to be able to get up on the roof to make sure things are intact. A little stinger on the back side, so if you want to put a little rack back here for a motorcycle or some bicycles or some other accessories. It's pre-wired for a generator right in here, all ready to go. It's got a flushing system. I give everybody that I sell a trailer to one of these really nice canvas bags. They come in handy. Like I said, they're super well equipped. Northwood is the #1 manufacturer of all seasons RVs. You can take it to Nome, Alaska. You can take it to the Gulf of Mexico. My name is Barbara Balcom. I would love to talk with you. Please call me directly at 541-521-4232. Thank you for taking a minute out to look.